Hello guys, today I present to you an easy pilau recipe. This is a fragrant rice dish that is so delicious and easy to make. You'll start by boiling the meat. I'm using lamb, but you can also use beef and follow the same recipe. Season the meat a little bit with black pepper and masala, and then add a quarter cup of water and just simmer that beef until it is tender. Now you're going to separate the meat from the stock, and you'll use that stock later. The next step is to fry the onions until they are slightly browned. You're going to use quite a lot of onions. I have all the measurements in the description box. Fry your onions until they look this brown, and then add in your ginger garlic paste. These are all must-have ingredients for this recipe to be fragrant. Next, add your garam masala and salt. Garam masala could also be pilau masala. It has all the ingredients. Fry that masala with the onions until it's fragrant, and then add your meat in. You want the meat to absorb a little bit of those flavors of the onions and the masala. And then this is optional. I added some tomato paste just because I love its taste in the pilau, but this is absolutely optional. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the tomato paste is well incorporated. Then add your stock from the boiled meat. This is going to add a lot of flavor to your pilau. You're going to stir that in and then add some more water. The amount of liquid you'll use depends on the type of rice you're using. I'm using long grain basmati rice here, pre-soaked for 20 minutes, and I just did the ratio of 1 to 2 rice to water. So cover that and simmer until the rice is done and all liquid is dried. Then let your rice sit for about 10 minutes before you fluff it. Now go ahead and fluff it. Make sure the meat is well incorporated into the rice, and your dish is ready to serve. So I did serve it with some cabbage salad, and you can do any other salad like kachumbari, and you're good to go. Very delicious and filling. Also, before you go, please do check out my books on Amazon. I have nice books linked in the description box, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much for stopping by.